In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coursera lecture notes and course materials as PDFs. Let's start with the simplest approach, using your browser's print feature to save a lecture page as a PDF. Open the lecture page you want, then press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. In the print dialog, switch the printer to Save as PDF. Before you export, check the settings so the page looks clean and complete. Set the layout to portrait or landscape depending on how the content fits, and adjust the scale if text or images are cut off. If you see a More Settings option, expand it and enable background graphics so images, equations, and colored callouts are preserved. Finally, preview the pages to make sure everything you need is visible, then save. If the lecture includes a video, you can download its transcript directly from the video player. Open the video, look for the transcript or subtitles option. This is often an icon or found under the three-dot menu, and choose Download Transcript or Subtitles. If multiple languages are available, select the one you want. Some players let you pick between formats like SRT or plain text, which is handy if you plan to study or annotate the transcript offline. Another reliable method is to save the lecture page as a complete web page and then convert it to PDF. On the lecture page, press Ctrl+S or Command+S and choose Web Page Complete. This stores the HTML and a folder of assets like images. Open the saved HTML file in your browser and use the same print to PDF technique to get a nicely bundled document. For materials like slides or readings, head to the Course Materials section and look for a download button. Many instructors provide PDFs or slide decks you can save directly with one click. If you don't see a download option, it may mean the instructor hasn't enabled it, so stick to the methods that are available on that specific course page. If your course uses Coursera's Jupyter notebooks, there's a built-in way to grab your work. Open the notebook, go to the File menu, and select Download. You can typically choose the original notebook format or another supported format depending on what you need. A few closing tips. Always respect the course's content policies and use downloads for personal study. Keep your files organized by course and week so you can find them later. And when saving PDFs, add clear file names so your notes are easy to search. That's it. Simple, reliable ways to bring your Coursera learning offline.